This video is brought to you by Specdtuning.com. On this video installation, we'll take you on a step-by-step process of how to install the Universal VIP sliding window curtain. The alcohol pad will be used to clean the area from dirt and oil. The tube that we see in this shot is a primer for the 3M tape. We will use this primer to apply to the area that was cleaned with the alcohol pad. You can use any method that you choose to apply the primer. In this case, we've used a cotton swab to demonstrate. We can now bring a rail over and show that the end caps have to be removed. After that's removed, take out the stoppers. Remove the paper covering the adhesive for the 3M tape. Once that's done, bring it over to the window. On the door panel, place the rail completely on the door panel. Once the desired location is located, press firmly on the rail. That way it can secure the adhesive tape to the door. We can use the same steps for the top rail. Once the desired location is found, press firmly. Once the curtain is brought over, we'll notice that the curtain has hooks. Please put the hooks in the correct order. Once all the hooks are on the rail, we can now put the end caps in. However, make sure that the locking clip is before the end cap. That way you can pull the curtain to the desired location. Lastly, we can now apply the curtain holder to the window frame. The installation of the window curtain is now complete. Thank you.
Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit specdtuning.com for more products.